So SEBI introduced something in February 2026, and ever since, entire financial world is talking about it. Lifecycle funds. And ever since it is introduced, everybody is asking this question: do I even need to have a financial advisor anymore? And I get it why people are asking this, because if a fund can automatically manage your money, can adjust your investments as you age, can rebalance from debt to equity as and when required without you even lifting a finger. A fund can do all of this. Then what is the use of a financial advisor, and what is that this fund cannot automatically do? This question is fair, and today in this video I'll be answering that question. And before I get into that, let me give you a bit of context. Lifecycle fund is not something new globally. It has been in the US since decades, and they call them target date funds. Massive industry, trillions of dollars managed this way. Let me explain what lifecycle funds really are. I am sure a lot of people would have heard about it, but are not fully aware what goes inside the fund. So, lifecycle funds simply revolve around one particular concept, that your investment should change along with your age. When you are young, you have time on your side. Lifecycle funds can invest more money into equity to start with, because higher the risk, higher will be potential gains, and you can afford to lose out on a couple of bad years if you have to. Whereas, when you get older and closer to your retirements, you cannot have a bad year. So, funds invest into safer options like debt instruments. So, lower the risk but higher the protection. And the fund does all of this on its own. That's the whole idea of it. Set it up once and forget it. And for a lot of people, that sounds exactly like what they need. No more worrying about rebalancing. No more worrying about whether I have more equity in the portfolio right now or not. No more worrying about second guessing yourself whenever there's a movement in the market. Just invest and let the fund do everything for you. But here is where I want to slow down, because convenient and complete are entirely different things. And here is where the difference is of most importance. And the fund is entirely revolving around this just one particular input. That's your age. It does not know if you have 12 years of home loan left. It does not know if you are supporting your parents every month. It does not know if you are planning to send your kids abroad for studies after 4 years. It does not know if you have lost your job recently. It does not know whether after 2020 your risk profile has completely changed after seeing your portfolio down by 40%. It just knows your age. And that's the only number the fund works upon. Now, let us talk about two 35-year-old people. One who has stable corporate job, no loan, no dependents, and has started investment while he was 22 years old. He is almost on track to achieve his retirement goals. While the other person is also 35 years old, has a home loan, two kids who are going in school, and parents who are financially dependent on him. He is genuinely trying to build a corpus from scratch here. So, same age, but completely different financial realities. But the life cycle fund will treat them exactly the same. Same assumptions, same equity allocation. And that's the fundamental problem. This is exactly where a financial advisor comes in and adds majority of the value. Because he does not only considers your age, but sits down with you and understands your entire picture. Your income, your goals, your loans, your insurance gaps, your tax situation, basically everything. A financial advisor would also help you manage your risk, not just on paper but emotionally as well, because it is completely different thing to write on a piece of paper or a form that you are fine with 20% volatility. But in real life, if your portfolio is negative by 20%, how would you react? An advisor who knows you can tell the difference and advise you accordingly. And then there's a behavioral part, which I feel is of utmost importance but underrated. Because when markets will fall, it's not a prediction, markets will fall. And that is just how the market behaves. A life cycle fund will not come to you or call you or text you and say, relax, this is just a temporary phase. It will not stop you from logging into your account at midnight and making a mistake. A big mistake that you can regret for life. Because one mistake made at a bad market cycle is the one that you regret the most. And most people do not realize how much that one conversation with your advisor is worth. The ones who stayed invested during 2020 fall and did not panic I believe they were the ones who actually know the value of a financial advisor because there was somebody with them who talked them through. Beyond this, there are n number of things which a life cycle fund cannot simply touch, like your insurance. Do you have enough cover? Or your estate plan? What happens to your money if you are no more? And these are the things which can actually dictate how much wealth your family ends up with. So, where does this leave us? Life cycle fund is genuinely useful, and let me be clear about it. For someone who's just starting out, or for someone who wants a simple, clear structure and does not want to actively manage the same, life cycle fund is a solid option. But useful is not complete. Life cycle fund solve one important, decently important piece of the entire puzzle, yet just a piece. So let's revisit the original question. Can a life cycle fund replace your financial advisor? If you are looking for something very simple, just like rebalancing and automation, then yes, the life cycle fund does a pretty good job. But if you want the entire picture, that's planning, tax efficiency, behavioral coaching, everything of it, then you would want to have somebody as your financial advisor who knows you, who knows what's changing in your life, and your life will change. You would want to have someone who is really connected with you. Being said that, we at Ascent Financial Solutions have been doing a pretty good job at this for more than 20 years now. If you would like to know the entire process, do visit us on www.ascentsolutions.in. See you in the next one.